In this video, I will show you guys how to solve a linear trigonometric function. So the problem says find all angles 0 degrees less than or equal to C less than 360 degrees that satisfy the equation below to the nearest tenth of a degree if necessary. So we have the equation is 7 sine angle C plus square root 19 equals 0. And don't overthink, just follow the rule that we know before. So first of all, we subtract square root 19 on both sides. Okay, so maybe I draw a line to help you see two sides clearly. And then now on this side I have 7 sine angle C equals negative square root 19. And then next I divide it by 7 on both sides. So now I have sine of angle C equals negative square root 19 over 7. However, I'm not done yet because what I want to look for is the angle C, not sine of angle C. So in order to find the angle C, I need to find inverse of sine. So next I have sine to negative 1 and then negative square root 19 over 7 equal to my angle C. So if you put this into your calculator, first thing you need to make sure your calculator in which mode. It can be in radians or it can be in degrees. Okay, so in this case I will work based on degrees. So if I put it into calculator, I will have C equals 38.514 degrees. And since it says route to nearest tenth of a degree, so my final answer will be C approximately equals to 38.5 degrees. But this is not the answer. Why is that? Okay, so think about it. At this step right here, if you notice that your sign is negative, so then you need to sketch the angle on the unit circle. So this is the unit circle. And think about which quadrant that will give you negative sign. So negative sign means we're looking for a negative of y values. So the quadrants that will give you negative y values, which is belong to this right here. Okay, this y value. So that means the angle will lie on quadrant number 3 and quadrant number 4 on the unit circle. Alright, so you have to find the angle. So we have two angles right here in standard position. The first one is blue one, and the second one is the green one. Those angles in standard position. And then the angle 38.5 is just the reference angle. Okay, so 38.5 is just the angle that's based on the triangle right here. So this angle right here inside the triangle is 38.5 degrees, and also this angle right here is 38.5 degrees, but not the angle in standard position yet. That's why we learn how to find the angle in standard position at the beginning, so now we can apply it to this concept. Alright, so We know the reference angle is 38.5, and in order for us to find the angle, the blue one, in standard position, we will have 38, so angle, I'll call angle number 1 as a solution equals to 180 plus 38.5 degrees, because we know this is 180 degrees and we have 38.5 degrees more, so add them up, we get the total for the blue angle. So that will give us 218.5 degrees. Okay, and now for the green angles, you know that the whole circle is 360 degrees, and you take away 38.5 degrees, then you can find the remaining in green. So then angle number 2 will be 360 degrees subtract 38.5 degrees equals to 321.5 degrees. Now we do have our answer, which is these two. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you understand how to solve a trig function using your prior knowledge on unit circle.